So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the second PU Karnataka board model question paper blueprint 2023 and 2024, that is geography subject. So weightage of the objective is, first four parts are there. First is remembering, second one is understanding, third one is applying, and fourth one is thoughts, that is skills. So remembering 44 marks, understanding 35 marks, applying 25, and skills 12 marks. Now main, so first, second and third main consist of objective type, that is 1 mark, and number of question is 15. Out of 15 you have to attend all, so the 15 by 15 marks. And so for in first, second, and third main you have to attend all the question, so that you will get 15 marks. And fourth main, very short answer question, that is 5 question, 1 mark question. They will give 5 question, you have to attend 5 questions and 5 marks, totally 5 marks question. Okay, next, fifth main short answer question, 2 marks question. Here 5 question, 8 question they will give, you have to attend 5, so total 16 marks, but you have to get 10 marks here. And see, fifth, sixth main is long answer, 5 marks, so total 12 questions they will give, 7 question you have to attend, totally 35 60 marks question, but you have to attend 35 marks question. Okay, and eighth main, yes, two parts are there. In A part, representation of data, that is 5 marks, so 2 question they will give, 1 question you have to attend, so totally 10 marks question it is, but you have to get 5 marks here. And 6 and B part B, that is skills, 10 marks, 1 question they will give, 1 question you have to attend, so total 10 marks. So total number of question is, they will give 43 question, in which you have to attend 34 question. And marks, if you see 116 marks, they will give, for 116 marks the paper will be set, and you have to attend for 80 marks, you have to get 80 marks in that. And next, if chapter wise, if you see 5 marks for first chapter, that is 1 question in 5 marks they will ask, that is in understanding, and you will and 5 marks question of one this chapter. Next, second chapter, 9 marks from this second chapter, that is 1 mark in remembering, for 1 marks question they will ask 1 question, 5 marks question 1 they will ask, 1 mark question another question they will ask in understanding, and 2 mark 1 question they will ask in understanding. So totally 9 marks from this chapter, and total question they will ask is from second chapter is 4 questions. And third chapter, 5 marks they will ask from this chapter, and 2 questions in 1 mark, that is remembering, so total 2 marks here. And 2 mark 1 question, and 1 mark 1 question in understanding, so totally 5 marks. And 3 marks in means 3 question in 1 marks, and 2 question in 1 marks they will ask, so totally 4 questions they will ask here in this third chapter. And fourth chapter, 6 marks they will ask from this chapter, that is remembering 1 question they will ask 1 mark, and understanding 1 question they will ask 5 marks. So therefore 1 question in 1 mark and 1 question in 5 marks, so totally 2 questions they will ask from this chapter, and totally 6 marks they will ask from this fourth chapter. Next, fifth chapter, if you see here, they will ask for only 3 marks, that is remembering, that is 2 questions in 1 mark, and understanding 1 question in 1 mark, so totally 3 questions they will ask in 1 mark in this chapter 5, so totally 3 marks they will ask from this chapter. Next is sixth chapter, they will ask 11 marks, that is 1 question in 1 mark in remembering, 1 question of 5 marks in remembering, and 1 question of 5 mark in understanding, so total 11 mark, means 3 question there, means here in chapter 8 they will ask 3 questions, total 11 marks they will ask from this chapter 8. Next, ninth chapter, they will ask 12 marks from this chapter, there is 2 mark, sorry, 1 mark 2 question, 2 mark 2 question in remembering, and 5 mark 1 question in understanding, and 1 mark 1 question in skills, that phase. So totally they will ask 6 questions, and total marks is 12 marks they will ask from this ninth chapter. And moving on to next chapter, that is 11th chapter, here they will ask for 8 marks, total 8 marks question, 8 marks they will ask from this chapter, that is 1 question of 1 marks in remembering, one question of 2 marks in remembering, and one question of 5 marks in understanding, and so totally 3 questions they will ask in 11th chapter. So totally 8 marks from this chapter. And next 12th chapter, 6 questions means 6 marks they will ask from this chapter. There is 1 mark, 1 question in remembering, or 5 mark, 1 question in applying. So totally 2 questions they will ask. So total 6 marks from this chapter they will ask. Next, finally 13th chapter they will ask 20 marks from this chapter. So be careful. They will ask 2 question in 5 marks, and 1 question in 10 marks they will ask from this 13th chapter. So be careful here, you will get easily 10 marks if you read well from this chapter. So totally 3 questions from this chapter they will ask in 13th chapter, and total marks wise total it is 20 marks from this 13th chapter they will ask. So total now questions if you see means marks 116 marks they will ask, in which you have to write for 80 marks. And total questions if you see 43 questions they will ask, and you have to attend, as you saw here, you have to attend 34 questions from 43, so that you can get 80 marks. Means for passing also means 80 marks for this much questions you have to attend. Next, if you see 1 mark question, they will give 20 questions 1 mark questions, 8 questions 2 mark questions, and 14 questions in 5 marks questions, and 10 mark 1 question. Total this much they will give question. So totally you will write for 106 16 marks paper will be there. You will write for 80 marks in that. And this is the marks wise. So this is the blueprint of geography model question paper blueprint 2023 and 2024. So I believe this was helpful to you. So if this video is helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends. It may be helpful to them also. And if you need any help in the studies, you can also comment down on this video. I definitely try to help you out. Okay friends, see you in my next video with some other topic. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye, my dear friends.